what do you remember about that very first day? And how did you feel? Like, what were you walking into?
I mean, I remember being like super chill, relaxed.
Yeah.
In those kind of situations, I usually am kind of chilled and relaxed, but just wanting to dive in, and being like a little overzealous. I think the like track and field training mindset is like, give me as much as you know. I want to work as hard as I can, throw as much as you can at me, and like learn for me from that first day. Sort of did this like ramp up to where I had a little bit of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so it didn't feel like I was being hammered. But then like week 2 and week 3, when we started to get into React and stuff, it was just like a rocket ship of confusion and, you know, like being hit with so many different, you know, did I make the right decision? You know, would I have been better doing this on my own and taking like a year to do it versus 3 months? And just kind of sticking with it for me, taking a deep breath, trying to understand what was happening every day just a little bit. That was kind of what led to success and comfortability. And I
think that is a very common place to be in, especially in that like second, third week of the program, that we often, and you've come back during this time, because during that time we almost always bring back alumni in the second or third week to share in that emotional part of it, because that is usually when that first week is usually pretty smooth, and then once you get into that second or third week is when you start going, did I make the right, is this what I'm supposed to be doing? This is really overwhelming, there's lots of things. And so you know, you've sat on the panel several times for our now, you know, for the current classes to kind of help them through that first hurdle.
It's funny, you can almost like, you can gauge where that student's at just by the questions that they're asking, you know, like some of them are more like internship and job focused, and the others are more like technology focused. And I don't know, at that point in time, a piece of advice I would say is definitely be more technology and like detail focused into what you're learning. I was a little too job focused at the time. I was like, I think week 6, like trying to get phone screens and stuff like that. And I was just I jumped the gun way too much on that. Yeah. Take your time. It's okay. It's all going to work out.
Yeah, for sure. And like be present and what you're learning.
Yeah. Like I said, deep breath, learn the basics. Everything's going to be good.